Summarizing the properties of variation. In the previous lesson, we explained the three types of variation by illustrating them with examples. In this part, we will summarize the main properties of variation, so you will find it easier to take them as a reference when trying to solve examples. 1. X and Y vary directly as A and B. If X and Y vary directly as A and B, then the following formula shown on screen is true. Example 1. 20 oranges are divided between 2 children, where each share vary directly as 2 and 3. Calculate the number of oranges each child receives. Solution 1. If we denote the children as X and Y, respectively, we obtain the following shown on screen. Or we obtain the following shown on screen. This means we obtain the following shown on screen. We have the following shown on screen. We obtain the following shown on screen. Hence, we obtain the following shown on screen. We have solved similar problems to this one in previous guides, but using the proportion approach. 2. X and Y vary inversely as A and B. If X and Y vary inversely as A and B, then the following formula shown on screen is true. Example 2. 4 people can paint a building in 10 days. How many people are needed to paint the same building in 8 days? Solution 2. This is an example of an inverse variation where the number of workers is inversely proportional to the time needed to paint the building. Thus, if expressing the workers by X and Y, and the number of days by A and B, respectively, we have the following shown on screen. (3) Joint variation. In a joint variation where X and Y vary inversely as A and B, while Z varies directly with either X or Y, as C. With A or B, the following formula shown on screen is true. Example 3. Y varies directly as X2 plus 1 and inversely as X plus 2. Find the relation between X and Y, if Y equals 5 when X equals 3. Solution 3. The quantities that vary inversely are written in the same side of formula while those varying inversely on different sides. Thus, we have the following shown on screen. Where K is the usual constant of proportionality. Substituting the known values results in the following shown on screen. Thus, we obtain for the relationship between X and Y, shown in the following on screen. That is all for lesson 4.5.6 and the end of chapter 4. To continue this mathematics topic, please watch 5. Introduction to Percentages. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.